Hello guys. Welcome back to another great tool for your print-on-demand and merch business. We'll be going over how to perform niche research for your print-on-demand products using the Merchant Informer tool. Specifically, the Niche Hunter tool. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. Merch Informer have an amazing tool called Niche Hunter that allows Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand sellers to easily research niches using sales data gathered on Amazon. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use this data to select the best niches for your print-on-demand products. The Niche Hunter tool will allow us to view all sorts of valuable information about the top niches on Amazon, such as the top keywords, the search volume, and even the top designs. But in order to use the Niche Hunter tool, you'll first need to sign up for Merch Informer. You can sign up for free, and if you decide to subscribe, you will find a discount code in the description. Once you sign up, you'll not only have access to the new Niche Hunter tool, but also all sorts of other powerful tools like the Product Research tool, the Competition Checker, the Keyword Research tool, and even the Listing Optimizer. And if you are watching this video early enough, you can grab Merch Informer Black Friday offers through the link in the description with 3 days free trial. Once you've signed up and logged into Merch Informer, you can head over to the Merch Informer dashboard. The Merch Informer dashboard is where you can view all the tools and features to build and grow your print-on-demand business. To get to the Niche Hunter tool, go to the menu on the left side and click the Keyword Research tab, and click on the Keyword Research tab. From the drop-down menu, choose Niche Hunter. The Niche Hunter tool is a great way to find the best niches to create designs for based on current market data. In the first section at the top here, we can select the category that we wish to research. When we click the drop-down menu, we can see that current categories are shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and pop sockets. In the results section, we can see the top ranked keywords and products based on search volume. You can see the actual number of searches made in the search volume column and also the top ranked products for this week containing that keyword phrase. By using this information, you can easily find trending topics that you can create designs for. So knowing that these are the types of designs that people are looking for, we can write down each niche and create our own artwork for each topic. You can also get tons of other topic ideas by scrolling through your search results and writing down the topics that you might want to make designs for. But remember to avoid any topics that might be a brand name or might be trademarked. There are many other features that I can't cover in this tutorial. However, you can sign up for free using the link below and have your free trial before you decide to sign up. Thanks for watching.